Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we spotlight the best of the best, and today we're bringing you what we consider the best birthday balloon arch on the market right now. Whether you're throwing a milestone bash or just want to wow your guests, the KARLURE Black and Gold Balloon Arch Kit delivers everything you need for a show-stopping event. Let's dive right in. When it comes to creating a dramatic, glamorous backdrop for any occasion, the KARLURE Black and Gold Balloon Arch Kit sets the gold standard. This isn't just your average pack of balloons. This is a full-blown decoration experience designed to turn any space into a celebration masterpiece. The sleek combo of black and metallic gold gives off a luxurious, high-end vibe. Perfect for birthday parties, New Year's Eve, graduations, anniversaries, retirements, you name it. Inside the kit, you're getting 137 pieces. That includes 62 classic black balloons and 57 radiant gold balloons, both made of high-quality latex that's designed to last. These aren't the flimsy kind that start deflating halfway through your event. They inflate smoothly, hold their shape well, and can be filled with either air or helium depending on your setup. Also included are 12 stunning confetti balloons and the highlight, 3 dramatic 22-inch gold explosion star balloons. These stars add that burst of visual excitement that takes your arch from great to unforgettable. Setting up the arch is surprisingly easy thanks to the 3 included tools: a balloon strip, glue dots, and ribbon. If you've never made a balloon arch before, don't worry, it's totally beginner-friendly. Just inflate the balloons, slide them into the holes of the balloon strip, and hang it up using the ribbon. You can use a wall, a door frame, a party backdrop, or even a window. Then finish it off with the dot glue to fill in any gaps using the smaller balloons. You get that full, luxurious balloon garland look without hiring a decorator. One helpful tip: if you're using the confetti balloons, give them a good rub on a dry towel or carpet to create static. That'll help the confetti stick evenly inside for the perfect effect. The gold explosion star balloons are a nice touch that most kits don't include. They come as a single unit with 14 cones and inflate easily with a straw or pump. Once added to the arch, they serve as that centerpiece that really draws attention and adds depth to your decor. As for the size, balloons range from 5 to 22 inches, giving your arch that layered, organic look that's really trending right now. And because they're made from durable materials, you don't have to worry about premature popping. As long as you don't overinflate past 90%, you're good to go. KARLURE has really thought this kit through. It's versatile, high quality, and packed with everything you need for a stunning balloon display. Whether it's your 21st birthday or your 50th, a corporate celebration or a cozy backyard party, this kit makes decorating easier, faster, and way more impactful. So, if you're looking to create a professional-level party atmosphere without the professional decorator price tag, this black and gold balloon arch kit by KARLURE is exactly what you need. Elegant, durable, easy to assemble, and most importantly, absolutely Instagram-worthy. That's it for today's review. If you're ready to make your next party unforgettable, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews that help you celebrate in style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.